Welcome back. I hope you are doing wonderful. Next command is copy to local. Means you have a file in HDFS directory. You want to copy that to the local system. How do we do it? Let us say we have a file, my first HDFS file.txt. That is not there here, right? We'll copy this my first HDFS file.txt from HDFS directory to the local system. Very simple. HDFS TFS hyphen copy to local, provide the path wonderful, isn't it? We copied a file from HDFS directory to the local system. In this case, we are working on a virtual machine on Google Cloud platform. Do we have anything in this my first HDFS file? Not really. We just created the empty file. Let us put something into that. We'll say vi okay. We copied a file from local to HDFS directory, and from HDFS directory to local. We did both the scenarios. The next one is move from local. This command will move a file from local to HDFS. When you copy, file will still be there in the local system, but in this case, the file will not be there in the local system. It is moving the file. Let us go ahead and remove the file. I am removing this file. If you just run the HDFS command, this file wouldn't be there. Okay, there is only one file called grid within the HDFS folder. Now we have a file called my first HDFS file.txt in our local system. We'll move this file from local system to the big data HDFS folder in HDFS. How do we do it? HDFS TFS move from local to big data HDFS. We don't have this file. See, when we did a ls here, we had this file. When we use the move from local command and moved this file from local system to HDFS directory, this file is not there in the local system. Let's go ahead and see whether if it is there as a part of our HDFS system. There you go. We have this file. If you want to move or copy the files within HDFS, you can use cp and move. Remember, both of these are Unix commands. We can use the same thing within the HDFS. Very simple. In Blissmas folder within HDFS, there is nothing. What we'll do is we will copy grid.txt from big data HDFS folder into Blissmas folder. So I'll say HDFS TFS -cp and big data. Let's check if there is anything. Wonderful, isn't it? We copied a file called grid.txt from big data HDFS folder to Blissmas folder. both those folders are within HDFS. You can also move a file. Let's do that. Now, if you go and check within the Listmas, you have two files. But this file will not be there as a part of Big Data HDFS folder. No, you have only file because we moved a file within this directory from this directory to the Blisspass directory. If you use a du command, it gives the size of each file in directory. Let us go ahead and see this. You can see it is giving us the size of the files within this directory. You can also use a remove command to delete the files. Let's go ahead and do that now. Say rm my first file dot text deleted. You can see this file is deleted. If you go and check this now, it wouldn't be there because we ran a command -rm on this file. This file is deleted. Wonderful. These are the important commands in HDFS. I hope you enjoyed. Please do practice these commands. Thank you.